You're throwing a party is about being able to spend quality time with your guests and not being stressed out. I'm Chef Alex Chen. I'm currently chef for our signature restaurants, Boulevard Kitchen and Oyster Bar and the Wild Blue in Whistler. So mise en place in the French terminology is put everything in place. Get all your ducks in line. You're thinking ahead like, well, what do I need? I'm at Trail Appliances in North Vancouver at the Sub-Zero Wolf Kitchen. Today, I'm making lobster roll using Canadian lobster. Why I chose this recipe for hosting a party, because a lot of the component can be prepped ahead of time. It's all in the organization, so should be no stress. So when the guest comes, you can still enjoy, not slaving away in the kitchen. Lobster, it should always be alive. The moment the lobster is not alive, the texture of the meat will become mealy. The most humane way for us to handle the lobster is to put it in the freezer for about half an hour before you cook them, so that they go to sleep. So I'm going to put it in the Sub-Zero freezer. I like to save time. Induction burners is super efficient at boiling water. So I'll bring a pot of water to a boil, and then salt. We're going to cook about 3.5 minutes. Chilling it down so that we can stop the cooking process. Right? Cook fast, chill fast. Kitchen is a fast-paced environment. You do have to learn fast. Learning knife skills is a repetition move, so you have to do a lot of practice. So practice makes perfect. I think that in a tidy, nice, and clean kitchen is not only for sanitary purpose, but it's part of the discipline. Louis sauce. It's one of those classic sauce that was invented in San Francisco. That is something that at the Boulevard at Wild Blue, this is usually what I like to serve for these sorts of crustacean. Buns, of course you can bake your own, but I like to save some time because I'm not a baker. How do I maximize my time with my guests? So the bun can be pre-seared so I get the color. From the fridge, I take the lobster. So it's actually 2 steps when the guest comes. You want to set yourself up for success. I think that it's small, impactful bite that is meaningful. It's tasty, it has texture, it has crunch, good, nice and golden brown. It's inviting and it's delicious. When we are hosting a party, a canapé party, a tea party, having proper appliances allows me to entertain with confidence. It's all about your planning. How does everything just come together? It's the prep. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more.